Hi everyone, my name is Shamil and I'm founder of Vkncy AI HR agent platform. So today I want to walk you through the first version of Vkncy. Let's start. This is the landing page. From here we can sign in. I already signed in. To show you, I can just log out and sign in again. Yeah, we can sign in with Google. And here we are. Inside the portal, I'm logged in as a member of ACMA Incorporated. So I am a member and an admin of this company. Here I'm logged in as Ivan Perishkin. So what I can do here? First of all, I can create a job post. Here I don't have any job posts yet. So let's create one together. We can click here or here. Let's click here. So let's create a job post. Let's hire a first product manager for Vkncy. I'll put senior product manager. Click next. I need to add full description. Here I'm gonna use AI for that. Describe what you're looking for. Before describing that, it asks to either include company information for better AI generation or not. Let's view or edit company info. So we're inside this sidebar, company information. As you can see, it is totally empty. You can add information for better job post generation or leave it out. Let's add some information here. Company description. I'm gonna add the information with types. Vkncy is an AI HR agent platform, which is going to replace all. This is enough, right? Did I save it? Yes, I saved it. You can also add additional company values, for example, integrity, collaboration, cooperation, innovation, right? Okay, I can remove them too. Let's remove this one and save. So let's go back here. Now I want to include it. And what we're looking for. The more detailed you're gonna describe, the better. So for the demo, I'll be here. It out like this and generate. It's done. Yep. Okay. Let's submit this job post. So the job post is submitted. We have a public job post, which we can check. It is analyzing a job post. Okay, it's already analyzed it. So San Francisco has specified full-time 5+ years. Job summary, requirements. This is AI summary for the candidate. Now, inside here, inside job post, we have one job post, senior product manager. We have a public job post, which we can share with the candidate for application. And our new applicants gonna be displayed in this section. So let's now simulate application. I prepared 2 AI generated applications for Alexandra Chen and Marcus Thompson. I asked Claude to generate relatively different CVs. So this one is more middle one. This one is the senior product manager. And she has an experience in fintech and enterprise, while Marcus has experience in e-commerce. And they have different companies they worked for. So this is a 3-page, I think. See, this is a 2-page. Let's try to apply first with Alexandra Chen. Right? With Alexandra Chen. Okay. Now we need to apply. We're applying for this position. While the while we apply, it not yet displayed here because AI CV screens it. I'll tell you what exactly happening right now with this CV. So there is 3 stages of CV screening. In the first stage, we have CV analysis. This PDF file is analyzed and parsed. After that, we move to the second stage of CV analysis. It is initial ELA scoring. We give an ELA score from 1000 to 1800, I think, where 1800 is like very good score. After the initial CV scoring, we move to the third stage. In the third stage, we ask ourselves, do we have already applied candidates? Is our applied basket full or empty? If the basket is empty, we skip it and we leave the initial ELA scoring for this candidate. So here, Alexandra Chen with ELA rating of 1714. It's pretty good. It's high ELA rating. So we can now put here somewhere that Alexandra Chen, Alex Chen with ELA 1714, right? So, okay, let's look at her profile. So it is parsed, and we can show more insights, standout factors, red flags, no direct experience in HR tech or AI-driven recruitment solutions, lacks explicit experience with JavaScript, Angular. So this is the skills gap. It shows he has missing skills, okay, and skills she has. So basically it's parsed. We have career progression transition from product manager at Oracle to the product manager at Stripe. Summary, 1714 ELA score, and so on. And we can check her CV also. Okay, it is here. So this is the card of applicant. We can change the status and so on. Let's go back to the job post. Now we need to apply with the CV of Marcus Thompson, right? Let's try it. Copy link, copy. So Marcus is gonna go through the same process, but now on the third stage, the basket is not empty. So Marcus moves to the third stage and he doesn't skip it. We find that in the applied basket, we have Alex Chen. We take her CV and we have a CV battle between them. And we ask AI, which CV is better? Marcus's CV or Alex's Chen CV? Basically here, Alex's CV looks better in terms of experience and so on, but our AI takes into account also relevance of experience, because she has experience in fintech while Marcus has experience in e-commerce. Both of the experiences is not relevant, so I think Alex gonna win. After Alex wins, her ELA score bumps up. So and Marcus's CV, initial one, goes down. So Alex's CV ELA score was 1714. Let's look what it is now. It is now 1729. So it increased, while Marcus's decreased. And after new applicants comes in, we first again go through these 3 stages, and now the third applicant gonna be compared with 2 CVs. It's gonna have 2 battles, and after those 2 battles, the ELA scores both for the Alex Chen and Marcus Thompson gonna change, and it gives us a dynamic ranking. So let's look at Marcus Thompson now. What kind of red flags does he have? No direct, no AI specific product background, lacks programming languages, qualified achievements, quantified achievements, and so on. Okay, this was the demo of CV screening part of Vkncy. Besides CV screening, it also can interview candidates. And before jumping to interview, I want to show you some small details here. We can change statuses to interviewed, to accepted, to satisfied, shortlisted, first contact, and so on. For example, yeah, it's updated. Let's move, and we can add notes here. I can write a note that we need to phone screen him. Add a note. So it was added less than a minute ago. I can edit the note. Add a smiley. And okay, now I see that edit date and last and publish date. One more. Okay, to show you how it looks for collaboration, let's move to manage. And I think in members, I invited myself already. So I need to accept invitation. And let's check how it looks from my side, those notes, okay? Okay, now I'm logged in as Shamil here. And here I'm logged in as Ivan. So Ivan left some notes. Let's check those notes here, right? To Marcus. Yeah, it's like a chat. And if I type here, got it, and add note, it is instantly displays here. So it has notes section. I also can edit it. I can add one more and so on. And then it's scrollable inside. So now let's invite Marcus for the AI interview. We can invite him directly from here. Create interview invite. Okay. Interview duration, currently we have only 30 minutes interview duration. You can add additional instructions for AI. Let's skip additional instructions, just leave it how it is. And we're creating an interview invite. Here's the interview invite. It is shared with candidate automatically via email, but we can still copy it and share with the candidate via messengers ourselves. Here are all the interviews. We can go to AI interview. We can create a new invitation, choose the candidate, and invite him. We can check all the interviews and open the page. If we open the page, interview is pending, and here's the candidate card. We can move to that card, and now there is a phone screening calls added. We can move to it back. So let's now go through the interview. Before going through the interview, I want to tell you that it is a 30-minute interview. And because I'm gonna spend only a few minutes on it, maybe even a couple of minutes, the results will be bad. So I'm gonna get the lowest score possible, probably. So here the Marcus, he goes through this link. He clicks start interview. He reads the instructions and clicks begin interview. Oops, here something went wrong. Gonna need to check the layout a little bit later, but let's try it anyway.
Hello, Marcus Thompson. I am here to interview. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I appreciate you taking the time to speak with me today. I see we have 30 minutes scheduled for our conversation. Does that still work for you?
Yes, it works for me. Can you tell me a little bit more about the company?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to share.
Okay.
Vkncy Inc. is a seed stage startup based in San Francisco, dedicated to revolutionizing the HR landscape with our innovative platform.
Okay, thank you. Listen.
Great.
Okay.
Of course, I'm listening.
Ask me first
What would you
question.
like to- Certainly. Let's get started. What attracted you to this senior product manager role at Acme Inc.?
Money. I want to earn a lot of money.
Thank you for your honesty, Marcus. It's important to consider financial factors in any role. Beyond compensation, are there specific aspects of the role or...
What is your name?
No. I'm Victoria, and I'm the HR Talent Acquisition Specialist conducting this interview.
Victoria,
My
I
name,
want to
let's
finish.
continue.
I want to finish this interview. Goodbye.
Good.
Okay. It is automatically completed because I said goodbye. I will fix the layout. It will be a little bit nicer. So basically the interview is completed. And now we can look at the results of this interview. Okay, the call is analyzing currently, but we already have a transcript here and we have recording.
Hello, Marcus Thompson. I am here to interview. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you. Absolutely.
Okay, the analysis is done. It is not recommended to hire. The candidate didn't provide any evidence of required product management experience, technical skill, or achievement for the senior product manager role. Areas of concern: no relevant experience, candidate ended the interview prematurely, motivation limited to compensation, no evidence. And basically, this is the phone screening. You can get max 10 score, and here I get basically 0. Their sole stated motivation was financial, and they ended the call based on this screen. They are not a fit. Okay, we can move back to the Marcus. We can see his phone screening again. We can see the interviews. Now we can create an interview for, I suppose, Alexander, right? Or Alexander. This is the whole functionality which we currently have. And we're going to be expanding functions. And I think this is the whole demo of Vkncy. If you want to try a demo, we can give you access and give you ability to post a job post, make unlimited CV screening and limited number of phone screening. Just leave your application here, I think, in the book demo section, leave your details, and I will contact you. That's it. Thank you for your attention.